guys, today I'm going to show you a magic trick reveal. And first you need a piece of paper like this. And I wrote the force card. Need to force it on 7 of spades. And first fold it like this. Like this. There's a fold right here. You need to fold here and here and here, and just come in like this, fold like sideways like that. And first after you fold it like this, you need to put your force card, 7 of spades. That's what I'm going to force the spectator. And you write it with a marker, 7 of spades. And in the center of you can just write anything random there. And you go like this, turns into 7 of spades. When you force a card, first need the force card, 7 of spades. Let me find it. There. Put the 7 of spades on the bottom and say to the spectator, stop whenever, and do like this. And when they say stop, the card on the bottom, the force card, is on the bottom, so they pick this card. And you just put it down, say memorize it, and just shuffle it. And then you ask him, I need to use this, and can you read it? And from there, and decide, and how about now? And say, this is your card. And I hope you like it, and see you next time.